Interrail, EU-Rail, Rail Planner, however you want to call it. I was gifted a 7-day EU-Rail free pass as I finished high school and I am over age 18. This saved me 250 euros, which is the price of a pass like this, and this is the series of my road trip across 7 European countries and 7 capital cities. Enjoy! There's a statue here of some guy. Let's check it out. You hear that? Everything is just so quiet and peaceful. You know, in the Balkans there are a lot of jokes about Slovenia being like the most peaceful country. They don't want war with anybody. They were never actually in any wars, that kind of stuff, you know. And other Balkan nations kind of see them as soft or maybe just calm and relaxed, and you can see that. You can actually see it. It's a chill city. It's a cool city. It's really chill. Yeah, so I think I got into the center, but I think I have to cross that way and get to the river. There's like a 3-point bridge or 3-side bridge, something like that. We're gonna get I'm gonna go there, maybe find something to eat too. Oh, and there's the what's it called, the Ljubljana Castle. We're gonna go there too.
They stopped at around 13-14 with some ugly addition on the top. And they are not government offices today. The left one is home to our biggest national bank, whereas the right one is where you will find some embassies, also of course some offices there and stuff like that. And then we have the monuments. Now the one here, as I said, Yugoslavia did permit some of the abstract art, and here it is. It's called the Revolution Monument, and it is dedicated to, of course, what else? The Communist Revolution. We have two lines. First, the horizontal is the horizontal line. It is dedicated to the
So you heard her. She said it for me. Of course I knew that. I was just not in the mood to tell you. I didn't want to tell you. Of course I knew this. So that is the bank business, the bank building, and this is the embassy's building, and that's the monument for the war. Yeah, and there's another monument here, and this is of Slovenian men coming back home from the war, I'm guessing. Now this one I don't know. Jaywalking again. Now hold up a moment, before we continue on with the vlog, I want to inform you on the ways in which you can support me with the channel. As you can imagine, the money I spend on these videos is different each time, depends on the location, on the transport, accommodation, the food, etc. Some videos end up costing me almost nothing, but there are videos that end up costing me a bit. YouTube doesn't cover even a bit of my spending since the channel is not monetized at the moment, and even if it would be, I don't have a huge following just yet, so this spending adds up after some time and it makes it really difficult to plan any further adventures for vlogs on my channel in the future. So if you like my work and enjoy my vlogs, there are different ways in which you can help me out. You can join my Patreon, which will allow you to direct contact with me and early access to future videos. There is also a Revolut link if you want to use credit card. And finally, there are my personal cryptocurrency addresses which you can send crypto to in your coin of choice. There is Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Monero and Cardano. All of the info is in the description. And now let's get back to the vlog. Now I'm not sure if Ljubljana has a metro. I don't think it has a metro, but maybe it has. If it has a metro, I'll tell you what. After I see the center, which I'm already in, as you can see, it's pretty beautiful. After I see it, I'm gonna take the metro back to my accommodation. But that is if they have a metro, because I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think they have a metro, because Bratislava, which is way bigger than Ljubljana, did not have a metro, and I was pretty sad about that, because I used the metros in all of the capitals that I've been to on this road trip. There's all these stairs throughout the city, they go down, so that's why I'm assuming it might be a metro, but I don't think so. I think it's just, look, it's a Roman well. So that's a Roman well, it's nothing, but there's many stairs like this that go, not many, I saw like 2 or 3 maybe. And there's that flag. What is that flag? That's like the flag of Ljubljana maybe. And here we go down to the river. I forgot the name of that. I don't know. What the hell am I saying? I don't know the name of the river in Ljubljana. It's not the Danube. That much I can tell you. It's not the Danube river splitting the city this time. And here we are at this nice old segment of the city, the old town. You got ferries that can take you around on a trip on the river, and then you have that other side of the river which we're going to cross to just as soon as we find the 3-point bridge, because there's many bridges. There's like the Dragon Bridge, the whatever bridge. This is like the modern bridge, I think, this one right here, and there's the 3 bridge, so that's the one we're going to. So I just looked on the map now, and the river is actually called Ljubljanica. So Ljubljanica splits Ljubljana in 2. I guess it's just a small river that goes only through Slovenia, near the capital, you know. That's probably why it's named like that. And yeah, now we're going to the 3-way bridge. So here we are at the three-way bridge and the 𝘾𝙍𝙔𝙋 square. The 𝘾𝙍𝙔𝙋 square is right there. So this is like the main bridge. That's the second one, and this is the third one right here. So that's the reason why it's called a three-way bridge, because there's basically three bridges. And here is the 𝘾𝙍𝙔𝙋 square. Here we have it, the 𝘾𝙍𝙔𝙋 square. And there's the castle up there, which I'm not sure if we can climb. I mean, can we climb up there? There might be a road, a back road or something. There might be some stairs here to climb it, and that's gonna be awful, but what can you do? I guess here you can bring your Slovenian wife and get married. What is this, like the smallest street in Ljubljana? There's a, there's actually a similar street to this one in Brașov, I think, in Romania, and it's like the smallest street in the country. It's not even an alley, it's just a street, and it's like only this part right here, without that part, only this small. Yeah, so this is it from Ljubljana. This was Slovenia, right here. And I'm gonna end it here because the castle is you can't access it from here. You have to go around some roads behind it, and yeah, it's probably closed anyway. So I'm gonna see you from the next destination, from Zagreb, Croatia. Until then, peace out.